Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can create forecasts to help you project your growth, spot trends, and create budgets. We'll go over how to set up a forecast and then adjust it. Select Financial Planning, Forecasts. Then select Create Forecast. QuickBooks uses information from your profit and loss statement to build forecasts for your income, cost of goods sold, and expenses. You can make a forecast for the rest of the financial year, up to the end of next year, or up to 3 years. Next, choose how you want QuickBooks to build your forecast. If you choose Average of Actuals, QuickBooks looks at the actuals you select here, calculates the average for that period, and then uses it to forecast your growth. This is the best choice if your revenue and expenses stay roughly the same each month and you have low seasonality. If you choose actuals from last year, note that the Use Actuals From field disappears. That's because QuickBooks uses your actual monthly figures from last year to build a forecast. This is the best choice if your revenue and expenses vary by season or month. Let's build this forecast from an average of actuals from the last 12 months. If you want to project an increase or decrease in your performance, enter it here. Let's project an increase of 10% for all accounts. Select Next. You can change any of your settings from here. Let's keep what we filled out earlier. Close the window. Here's the monthly projection QuickBooks built from your choices. There are a few ways you can adjust your forecast. You can change the name here. You can select a field to manually adjust a forecast for an account in a specific month. And you can select this to change the settings you used when you originally built your forecast. You can also turn the forecast into a budget, so you can run budget versus actuals reports against it. When you're done, select Save and Close. From here, you can create more forecasts, edit the forecast you just created, or delete it. Now you're ready to create a forecast in QuickBooks to project the growth of your business.